Hi everyone, here we have another past paper question and it's related to matrices. So you can see they've given us two matrices, and for the first part they say determine the value of A, the value of B and the value of C. Okay, so we have three unknown terms and they say T into U gives you I. So I is going to be the identity matrix. So 2. So let me just, so they say T U equals to the identity matrix. So it's 2, 3, 7, 3, 2, 6, E, 4, B into 6 minus 1 minus 4, 15, C minus 9 minus 8, A, 5. This gives you I. So first let's multiply T and U together. So you use your calculator. So it's going to be like this. This row into this column gives you a value, some value. I'll call it as X. And then this row into the second column gives you the next value of the first row. And then this row with the third column gives you the third value in the first row. So on, then you go for the second row, multiply it with the first column, you get this value. And then second row with second column, you get this value. Second row with third column, you get this value. And then third row and first column, you get this value. Third row and second column, you get this value. Third row and third column give you this value. That's how you find the matrix. So I'm going to erase this. Okay, now let's see. You can use your calculator. Speeds up the process. So I'm going to use my calculator. So I get the first number is 1. So that's 2 into 6 plus 3 into 15 plus 7 into minus 8 gives you 1. So the next value is minus 2 plus 3C plus 7A. That's one value. And your next value is 0. Now you found I. Now we found our first row. Now we go for the second row. So your first number is again 0. And your next number. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 2 into C is 2C plus 6A. And the next value should also be 0 because an identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1, right? So let me just find the next one. 3 into minus 4 plus 2 into minus 9 plus 6 into 5. What is it? So on, you know how it goes. So this should be 0 again, and it actually should be 0, but we have a term there. So don't write 0, I'm sorry about that. Because we have two terms in our third column. So you can write 6A plus 60 minus 8B. This equals to 0. This equals to 0. And you get, and we have minus A plus 4C plus BA, and finally we have minus 4A minus 36 plus 5B. Okay. So this equals to the identity matrix. So identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is your identity matrix. So what we can do is we can find A and B using these two equations. We can find A and B. And using that, we can find C, right? Using this one. The one in the center. The one I just circled right now. So yeah, let me just recheck everything, whether I did everything properly. So, yep. Okay. So, we can write 6a plus 60 minus 8b equals 0. Minus 4a minus 36 plus 5b equals what? See? 1, 0, 0. So these are our two equations. 1, 2. So it's a simultaneous equation, as you can see. So I can write 6a minus 8b. I'll take 60 onto the other side. So we'll just do this. We'll subject a. So 6a equals 8b minus 60, right? So a equals, I'm going to divide everything by 6. 4 over 3b minus 10. So this is your third equation. You can put this straight away to your second equation. So 3 into 2. So minus 4 into 4 over 3b minus 10 minus 36 plus 5b equals to 1. Just giving you minus 16 over 3b minus 40, sorry, plus 40 minus 36 plus 5b equals to 1. This will give you, so minus 16 over 3 plus 5 is minus 1 over 3. B equals to 40 minus 36 is minus, sorry, 4. So 1 minus 4 is minus 2. So B equals 9. A equals 4 over 3 into 9 minus 10. So A equals 2 minus 10, A equals 2, right? So now we found A and B. And now you can look at this, the one I'm taking right now. So minus A plus 4C plus BA equals to 0. Minus A plus 4C plus BA equals to 0. 4C plus BA. So minus 2, which is A plus 4C plus B, which is 9, into A, which is 2, equals 0. So minus 2 plus 4C plus 18 equals 0. 4C plus 16 equals 0. 4C equals minus 16. C equals minus 4. Now we found in BC. That part is done. That was pretty long. Now let's go for part B. Do you see the transformation represented by the matrix T? Okay, it transforms the line L1 to line L2. So given that L2 has the equation, okay, L2 has equation, we'll go to the next page. X minus 3, 3 equals Y over minus 4 equals Z plus 2. X minus 3, right? Also, it's X minus 1. So we have to write T again. So T was 237,326. 237,326. And A for B. So A is 2, 4, and B is none. So it's going to be this matrix into X, Y, Z. We will take X, Y, Z as line, the first line. So that matrix into line L. L gives you, line L1, I think it was L1 here, gives you the line 2, L2, sorry. So what you have to do is, so to put the vector in these brackets, you need to convert this into a vector equation. So what we can do is you write x minus 1 over 3 equals y over minus 4 equals z plus 2. You can write z plus 2 over 1, right? So what we can do is, so we need to convert this into a vector equation. So you can write, and just focus on the numerators. First step, focus on the numerators. So you write x minus 1 equals 0, y equals 0, z plus 2 equals 0. So all the numerators equate them to 0. So x equals 1, y equals 1, z equals minus 2. I'm sorry, y equals 0. I don't know. I'm making silly mistakes. So your vector equation is going to look like this. So r equals, your starting point is going to be 1, 0, minus 2 plus lambda. You can take it as any value you like, lambda. And this will be a, b, c, whatever. I'm just, whatever vector you get. So to find that vector, you look at the denominator. So you have 3 minus 4 and 1. Right? So a is going to be 3. B is going to be minus 4. C is going to be 1. So then your vector equation is 1, 0, minus 2 plus lambda 3 minus 4, 1. You can rewrite this as r equals 1 plus 3 lambda minus 4 lambda minus 2 plus lambda. So, alright, I'll take this down. I don't want to write the matrix again. Writing the matrix over and over again, you're open to silly mistakes with numbers. Now, in the exam, you guys can see the question. You can just turn the page and do it, right? But I have to scroll all the way up and then memorize the numbers. So this way is easy. So this matrix into XYZ gives you 1 plus 3 lambda minus 4 lambda minus 2 plus lambda. So now let's solve the matrix. So it's going to be first row into the column, then second row into the column, third row into the column. So we have 2x plus 3y plus 7z. That's your first row. And then you have 3x plus 2y plus 6z. Then you have 2x plus 4y plus 9z. This equals lambda plus 3. 1 plus 3 lambda minus 4 lambda minus 2 plus lambda. So now you can write 2x plus 3y plus 7z equals 1 plus 3 lambda 3x plus 2y plus 6z equals minus 4 lambda and 2x plus 4y plus 9z equals minus 2 plus lambda. So what you should do now, it's like solving a simultaneous equation now. So you can, in this, the first equation, second equation, third equation, and then what you do is you can see the first equation. If you look at the first equation and the third equation, you can see the first equation minus 1 into the third equation. You can cancel off x, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm writing 2x plus 3y plus 7z equals 1 plus 3 lambda and minus 2x minus 4y minus 9z equals to 2 minus lambda. Now you can cancel off 2x, and then you get minus y minus 2z equals 3 plus 2 lambda, right? So we can name this as the fourth equation. Here we leave this aside, and then if you look at the second and third equation, let's take the second. So the second equation multiplied by minus 2 plus the third equation, you can cancel off. No, let's not do it like that. You need y and z terms, right? You can't cancel off y. So we're doing like this. We'll take the first and second equation. So you have to multiply the first equation. First equation you multiply it with minus 3 plus 2 into the second equation. So minus 3 into the first equation, which is minus 6x minus 9y minus 21z equals minus 3 into 1 plus 3 lambda. And you multiply the second equation with 2, giving you 6x plus 4y plus minus 4 lambda. Let me just recheck. Okay, everything looks good. Yeah. So now you add these two together. You can cancel off 6. You can cancel off the x terms, and then you get minus 5y minus 9z equals to minus 3 minus 9 lambda minus 8 lambda. So this gives you 3 minus 3 minus 17 lambda, right? This is your fifth equation. And now you have to solve your fourth and fifth equation. So that will give you, so we can subject y in our fourth equation So you can write that as minus y equals 2z plus 3 plus 2 lambda. So y equals minus the whole thing, right? We can name that as the sixth equation. So sixth equation to your fifth equation. So now minus 5 into, so minus and minus, right? Cancels out. 5 into 2z plus 3 plus 2 lambda minus 9z equals minus 3 minus 17 lambda. So that gives you 10z plus 15 plus 10 lambda. Minus 9z equals minus 3 minus 17 lambda. And you get z equals minus 3 minus 17 lambda minus 10 lambda minus 15. Z equals minus 18 minus 27 lambda. Yep. We found Z. Now we find Y. Y equals minus 2 into minus 18 minus 27 lambda plus 3 plus 2 lambda. This gives you, ignore the minus for now, so you get minus 36 minus 54 lambda plus 3 plus 2 lambda. This gives you, so minus 36 plus 3 is minus 33 minus 52 lambda. Now whole thing into minus is 33 plus 52 lambda. I think I'm correct. Let me just check again. Yep. So you found y. So we found y and z. Now let's find x. So let's use one of the equations we have. Let's use the second one. No, let's use the first one. Okay, you can use any you like. Doesn't matter. So 2x plus 3y, 3 into 33 plus 52. Plus 7z plus 7 into minus 18 minus 27 lambda equals 1 plus 3 lambda. So let's simplify this. So 2x plus 99, 3 into 33 is 99, plus 52 into 3, let me use the calculator there, plus 156 lambda. So 7 into 18 is minus 126. 7 into minus 27 is minus 189. Lambda equals to lambda plus, 1 plus 3 lambda. So 2x equals to 156 minus 189 is minus 33. When it goes on to the other side, it's 30 lambda. And 99 minus 126 is minus 27. When it goes to the other side, it's plus 28. So x equals 14 plus 15 lambda. Let me just recheck again. I'm sorry, I think I made a small mistake. This should be 36. So this is 18 lambda. Tiny mistake. Okay, so we found x, y, z. So x, y, z equals to 14 plus 18 lambda. Y was 33 plus 52 lambda. And what goes Z? Minus 18 minus 27 lambda. But this is not your final answer. So now you write x equals 14 plus 18 lambda. Now you subject lambda. So x minus 14 divided by 18 equals lambda. Okay? And y equals 33 plus 52 lambda. So that's y minus 33 equals 52 divided by 52, equals lambda. And finally, z equals minus 18 minus 27 lambda. So that's z plus 18 divided by minus 27 equals lambda. So you can write your final answer is x minus 14. You have to give it in the form they have given. X minus 14 over 18 equals y minus 33 over 52 equals z plus 18 over minus 27. This is your answer. And that's how we do this question. If you guys have any doubts, drop them in the comment section. I know it's a pretty long question, but these are the type of questions you guys get for your exam, so yeah. If you guys like my teaching, leave a like and subscribe, and thank you. Have a great day.